Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most famous Algerian dish from the Algerian capital. This dish called sfiriya means ambassador. This dish was created by our grandmas from their wisdom and intelligence. Because they did not like to waste and threw away bread, they collect the bread that has not been eaten for days because they have a habit for eating fresh bread every day. But they didn't want to waste the old bread and make this delicious dish with it. This dish is made of chicken broth and recycled fried bread. The combination between fried bread and roasted chicken sauce gives the dish a fabulous taste, and your kids will enjoy eating it, and of course you will love it. Let's start with this recipe. We will start with chicken broth, and it's very easy to make. In a saucepan, put 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 big chopped onions. Put your chicken skin side down and bring everything to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Flip over your chicken time to time and let your chicken absorb all this seasoning. Whenever you notice that your chicken skin becomes golden brown, add your hot water and cook your chicken in a medium-high heat for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your chicken is very well cooked. Now it's time to grill it. Put your chicken in a pan and grill your chicken skin in your oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until you get this crispy skin. Now it's time to prepare my sfiria, or my fried bread. Long time ago, our grandmas, they prepared this dish with leftover bread. But today, I never get leftover bread. What did I use? I did use a toast, ready-made toast. And if you have leftover bread, you can use it as well. You have 2 ways to grind your bread. You can use a rolling pin, like I'm doing so, or you can use any grinder to grind your bread. After you crush your bread, now it's time to season it. Season your bread with the same seasoning that you did use it in your chicken broth. I did put 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, little bit of orange blossom to cut out the smell of egg, 1 handful of shredded Gouda cheese, and you can use diced Philadelphia cheese, it works too, 1 cup of flour, or 1 handful of flour. Gather your bread with cold water until you get a dough like a shortbread dough. Don't overwet your bread and let it rest for about half hour to see if your bread will absorb a lot of water. If yes, you have to add a little bit of water to get a nice dough. After half an hour, you have to check your bread balls. I added a little bit of water until I get a pliable dough that I can make balls with it. Try to make balls of one size. Dip your hands in water time to time to avoid stickiness. Deep fry your bread balls in hot oil until they become golden brown. Flip them over time to time to avoid burning them. Fry your bread balls in medium-high heat. They should get a golden brown color, and make sure that they are very well cooked inside. Now it's time to serve our sfiria. Dip your fried bread balls in your chicken broth for about 10 to 15 minutes. your chicken broth should be hot. This way, your bread balls or your sfiriya balls will absorb the broth very well. Dip just the amount that you will use it. Don't dip them all. In a serving plate, place your chicken in the middle and surround it with your sfiriya. Put a little bit of a broth in a separate bowl for the people who want to add more broth to their plate. And always clean the sides of the dish before serving it. Now my sfiriya dish is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy it with your family and your friends. This dish is very tasty and easy to make. My chicken broth was thick and not watery at all. My bread balls were very well cooked on inside and crispy outside. The chicken was well cooked on the inside and roasted with a crispy skin on the outside. The combination between broth, roasted chicken, and fried bread balls gave this dish a fabulous taste. This dish is very tasty and easy to make. I hope you will try to make it soon. And I hope my video for today was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!